coming into Agia Triada. We've just dropped a couple of people off at Nea Epivates and we're off to Perea. This is Perea. We're going to see if we can do quite a long walk to the other two places.
Round before we make our long walk. Proper little seaside town this is. From here we are going to start our walk straight down and keep going. That's where we started the walk, right down there, and we're going straight up there. So we've still got quite a long way to go. Get away from the amusement arcades section, which is only a small section. And then there's some lovely beaches, and the water is not deep at all. All the way along there's plenty of bars and things and tavernas to eat if you want some food. Carrying on with our walk. Music on the beach. A little bit more music on the beach with the lifeguard. A little bit of interior opposite the beach. That's a little bit...
This is the one we'll stay at when we come next time.
Yeah. Well, we thought that was like a walkway to connect in the two hotels, but a closer look, it's a restaurant. If you wanted somewhere quiet, I would think this is a place to have your apartment. Well, we're still going to carry on our walk. A lot more open space at this section of the beach, or the coastline. This area seems to be where there used to be some kind of complex or club, but it's all been pulled down and it's just wild. There's lots of concrete bases. I'm just wondering whether it was probably a campsite. I think we've come to the end of our walk. We're going to now get the boat back to Thessaloniki.